I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. So all you have or freelancer app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on email and notifications. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here, and then you come here to push notifications for workspaces. You come here to when a new comment is posted on a post you are following, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's when it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.